In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use e-signature in Microsoft Word. Whether you're signing a personal document or an important professional agreement, adding a digital signature in Word is a straightforward process that makes managing your documents much more efficient. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you have your Microsoft Word document open and ready to go. This is where you'll be placing your e-signature, so take a moment to navigate to the specific spot in your document where you want your signature to appear. It could be at the end of the document where you'd typically sign a paper version, or wherever your form or agreement specifies a signature. Next, we're going to insert an image of your signature. Move your attention to the ribbon at the top of your window and click on the Insert tab. From here, you'll want to select Pictures and then choose this device. This action will prompt a File Explorer window, allowing you to browse the files on your computer. Now locate your signature image file. It's best if you have previously scanned or photographed your handwritten signature and saved it as an image file, such as a PNG or JPEG, for this purpose. Once you've found the file, select it and click Insert. The signature image will now appear in your document, and you might find that it's not exactly the right size or in the perfect spot. That's perfectly okay. You can customize it to fit just right. Click on the image and handles will appear around its edges. You can click and drag these handles to resize the image proportionally. A little tip here, dragging from the corners will maintain the image's aspect ratio, making sure your signature doesn't distort. Once you're content with the size, you might want to ensure the signature doesn't interfere with any surrounding text or content. To do this, you'll notice the Picture Format tab has appeared under Picture Tools in the ribbon. This is your friend for image adjustments. Click on this tab and look for the Wrap Text option. For a seamless integration of your signature, select In Front of Text. This makes your signature hover above other text, allowing you free rein to place it just where you need it. Take a moment to tweak the position until it sits perfectly over the designated signature line or wherever else you need it, and there you have it, a neatly placed, digitally integrated signature in your Word document. By following these steps, you've successfully added an e-signature to your Word document. This feature is not only convenient, but also adds a professional touch to your electronic documents. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature when managing your digital paperwork. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.